Good afternoon, dear students. I hope all are fine. Okay, in previous class, what we discussing? We discussing comparing quantities. Is it? Yes. In last class, we discussing the interest. Is it? Yes. That is, we discussed the estimation in percentage, overhead charges, and what we next we discount finding discounts percentage easily. Today we are going to discuss about the finding cost price or selling price, cost percentage, and next profit percentage, loss percentage, that types. That means we are going to discuss, for example, Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator for 2,500 rupees. Then spent 500 on its repairs and sold it for 3,300 rupees. Find his loss or gain percentage. Find his loss or gain percentage. Is it? Yes. That is, first is, what is our cost price? That is Sohan. Is it? Yes. Sohan brought a second-hand refrigerator at the rate of 2,500 rupees. And next, what he do? He repairs in 500 rupees. That is, total cost price is what? Total cost price equal to price equal to 2,500 plus 500. Is it? Yes. And that means 3,000. That is 3,000. What is the selling price? Selling price is 3,300. 3,300. That is, here when we looking the cost price is, that is the selling price is greater than comparing to cost price. So here Sohan get profit. When cost price is greater than selling price, then there is loss. Here is selling price is greater than comparing to cost price. So here Sohan gets profit. Is it? Yes. That is, profit is, what is profit? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. SP minus CP. That is, SP means selling price and CP means cost price. That is 3,300 minus 3,000. That is 300. That is 300. Profit is 300. Profit percentage is profit percentage is profit percentage is 300 by 3,000 into 100%. That is 30 by 3%. That is 10%. That is, answer is 10%. That means And generally profit percentage equal to profit divided by cost price into 100%. What is our equation? What is our equation? That is profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100%. That is the equation. Sorry, 100. That is the equation. And next we are going to discuss about our prices. That means find selling price. If a profit 5% is made on, we want to find the selling price. If a profit of 5% is made on, what? First one is a cycle of 700 with 5 rupees as overhead charges. That is, first question is, what is a cycle of 700 rupees with 500 rupees as overhead charge? What is the cost price? That is, cost price equal to, then what is the cost price? Cost price equal to 700 plus 550. That is 750 rupees. That is 750 rupees. Is it? Yes. Then what is the profit? Profit is 5% of 750. 5% of 750. That means 5 by 100 into 750. That is what we get here. Here we get 1 by 2. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is 75 by 2. That is 37.5 is profit. Profit equal to 5% of 750. That is, profit is 37.5 rupees. That is, total selling price is 750 plus profit. That is 37.5. That is, we get what? 787.5 rupees. Is it? Yes. That is 787.5 rupees. And next question is, a lawn mower brought at a 1,150 with 50 rupees as transportation charge. That is, transportation charge means overhead charge. That is, then we want to find the selling price. Then follow like this. First we find the cost price. What is the cost price? That is, cost price equal to 1,050 plus 50. That is 1,200. 1,200. And next, profit equal to 5% of 1,200. Sorry, 1,200. That is, we get 5 by 100 into 1200. Then we get 60. That is profit is 60. That means selling price equal to what? 1200 plus 60. That is, what is the answer? We get 1260 rupees. That is the selling price. 1260 rupees is the selling price. And next one is C part is a fan bought for 560 rupees and expense of 40 rupees made on its repairs. What is the selling price? That is, first we start with our cost price. CP cost price equal to 560 plus 40. That is, we get 600. Then we find the profit. Profit equal to 5% of 600. That is 5 by 100 into 600. That is, we get 30. That is, selling price equal to cost price plus profit. That is 600 plus 30. That is 630 is the selling price. 630 is the selling price. That is 630 is the selling price. And next we are going to discuss an example. That is, a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for 10 rupees each. However, 5 bulbs were fused and had to be thrown away. That is, in a shopkeeper, 200 bulbs are purchased and its rate is or price is 10 rupees for each. However, 5 bulbs are fused when the shopkeeper thrown away. That is, the remaining were sold for 12 rupees each. Find the gain or loss. That is cost of. Then what is we first do? We find the cost price. That is, cost price is here. Cost price is here. Cost price is 200 bulbs into 10 rupees. That is 2000 rupees. Is it? Yes. And next we find the how many bulbs are fused? 5 bulbs. Then 5 bulbs are fused. Then how many bulbs are in our hand total? That is, after fusing 5 bulbs, number of bulb equal to bulb equal to 200 minus 5 catch 195. Next is what is the selling price? That is 12 rupees. Is it? Yes. Then how much selling price of 195? That is selling price of 195 bulbs equal to 195 into 12. What is the answer? 0, 18, 3, 5, 9, 1, 0, 13, 13. That is, we get 2330. 2330. Is it? Is it? 0, 3, is it? Yes. That is 2000 and 2330. That is, when we multiplied 195 into 12, we get 5 into 2, 0, 1. That is, here is 5 into 0, 10. 1 is carry on. 19. That is, here we get 2000. 2000 and 2340. That is, when we seeing this, the cost price of 200 bulbs is 2000. Cost price, selling price of 195 bulbs is 2340. That means here is they get profit, not loss. Then profit equal to 2340 minus 2000. That is 340 is the profit. Profit percentage equal to what is the profit percentage? That is 340 by 2000 into 100. That is 17% is the profit. Profit is 17%. Is it clear? Any doubt? And next is example 7. Meenu brought 2 fans for 1200. Meenu bought 2 fans. Meenu bought 2 fans for 1200 each. She sold one at a loss of 5% and other at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price each and also find the total profit or loss. Total profit or loss. That is, overall cost price is what? Overall cost price is equal to 1200. Is it? That is, Meenu buy 2 fans. That's all. We write overall cost price. That is 1200. Is it? Yes. And next is one is sold with or sold at the loss of 5%. That means CP cost price is 100, SP is 95. Is it? Yes. That is, first condition is she sold 5% loss. That means if cost price is 100, then the selling price is 95. That is 100 minus 5, we get 95. So we can find the cost price. We can find the cost price with 1200. That is, selling price is, that is, first one selling price is 95 by 100 into 1200. 1200. That is 95 into 12. 1140 rupees. 1140 rupees. And second is also sale the fan selling in the profit of 10%, that is SP equal to, that means 110 by 100 into, that is 110 into 12, we get what we get, that is 100, sorry, that is 11 into 12, 1032, that is 11 into 12, we get 2, 2, 1, 1, that is 2, 3, 1, that is 1320 rupees. 1300 rupees. That is, first fan is selling price is 1140 rupees and second fan selling price is 1320 rupees. And what is the, is it profit or loss? Is it profit or loss? How much total cost price for two fans? That is, we get 2400. What is, then she selling two fans, what is the amount? Then we take the total, that is which amount? When we take the total CP is equal to 1200 plus 1200, we get 2400. Next we take the selling price total. Total selling price equal to 1140 plus 1320. That is, what is the answer? 0642. That is 2460 is the total selling price. That means, what is the, that means here is 60 rupees is above or extra. That is, we get the profit. That is, here CP is less than and SP is greater than, so she gets the profit equal to 2460 minus 2400, we get 60 rupees as profit. 60 as profit, is it? Yes. And next is, there is a try this. What is our try this? A shopkeeper bought two TV sets at 10,000 each. He sold one at a profit of 10% and the other at a loss of 10%. Find whether he made an overall profit or loss. Overall profit or loss. That is, what is the, that is a shopkeeper brought a two TV sets at the rate of 10,000 and he sold at a profit of 10% is 1 and at a 10% loss at TV. That is, first we find that is cost price is 10,000. That is first GB selling price is equal to, that is 10% profit. So we can write it as 110 by 100 into 10,000. Is it? Yes. That is, we get selling price is we get 11,000. We get 11,000. Is it? Yes. And next is, what is our next is second GB selling price is, that is their 10% loss. So we take 90 by 100 into 10,000. That is, we get 9,000 as the selling price. 9,000 as the selling price. What is the total selling price? Total selling price is, total cost price is 20,000. Total cost price is 20,000 and total selling price is, total selling price is 11,000 plus 9,000, that is we get 20,000. That is, here is cost price equal to selling price. So there is no profit or loss. There is no profit or loss. That is the. And next we are going to discuss about sale tax or value added tax. Next we are going to discuss about sale tax or value added tax. That is, sales tax is charged at a specified. That is, the definition for sales tax is charged at a specified rate on the sale price of an item by the state government and is added to the bill amount. It is different for different items and also for the different states. That is, it is different for different items and it is also different in different states, different rates. That means amount of sales tax equal to tax percentage of bill amount. Tax percentage of bill amount. That is, these days the price included the tax known as value added tax, VAT, VAT, VAT. From July 1, 2017, Government of India introduced GST, which stands for Goods and Service Tax. GST, Goods and Service Tax, which is levied on supplies of goods or service or both. That is, there is in your textbook, there is the definition. Please read the definitions. That is, the page number is 124. 124 is the page number. And today we are discussing the profit percentage and sale percentage. Is it? Yes. Profit percentage or loss percentage. Also we study the cost price and selling price, that is CP and SP. Next day we discussing the sale tax. We discussing the sale tax of problems. Okay. Today I conclude my class. I wish you a good day. Thank you.